How to use Instagram offline. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use Instagram for offline. Well, you need to understand that you cannot fully use Instagram offline as most feature requires an internet connection for real-time data. However, you could view content that has been cached by scrolling through your feed while online before going offline. You could also create posts or stories that will be uploaded later and make yourself appear offline by turning off the show activity in the settings section. So basically, you could go through a feed if you go ahead and open up it. Likewise, you could go through it, but there's a limited feature that is going to be available if you actually go offline on Instagram. Now, instead of that, what you could do is simply tap on the profile initials, tap on the menu bar from the top right hand side corner, and then you want to go ahead and click on your activity, or you could just go ahead and locate status. All right, so when you go ahead and look for the status section, you just need to make sure to go ahead and toggle the button for that. That means you'll be able to turn offline, and that is how you'll be able to use Instagram offline, appearing offline. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.